Samsung is going to release its new foldable phone next month, and we have produced some of the most realistic renders of Galaxy Z Fold 2 based on leaks that we have got so far. There are some exciting upgrades coming with this generation. Hey guys, I am Shiv Maurya and this is Stuffbox. In this video, let's have a look what Samsung has to offer with its next flagship foldable phone. So let's begin. It took a long time for Samsung Galaxy Fold to hit store shelves, and even after that it had a lot of flaws. But over the years, Samsung has improved a lot on technology, and this time we expect to see a much more refined version of the original Galaxy Fold. Samsung is calling it the Galaxy Z Fold 2, as Samsung believes that foldable phones are the future and is going to build more folding phones, so it makes sense to keep all of them under one umbrella, that is Galaxy Z. Just like the Note series and the S series. The most prominent design change that the Fold 2 will be having is the size of the cover display. Originally it was 4.6 inches display, but with the Fold 2 we will see a 6.23 inches cover display with much thinner bezels. And inside it will be featuring a massive 8-inch display panel, which will also be made up of Samsung's ultra-thin glass, which was first introduced with the Z Flip device last year. The internal display will be having a refresh rate of 120Hz, while the cover display will stick to the conventional 60Hz. The Note 20 won't be the only phone using Samsung stylus. Including an S Pen with the Fold 2 makes a lot of sense, considering the size of its display makes it ideal for note-taking or drawing. If Samsung brings across the features of the S Pen it debuted on the Galaxy Note 10, then the Fold will be able to add remote selfies and air gestures to its box of tricks, which could make it the most versatile foldable phone that we have seen so far. But there are reports that this might not be possible at the time because the folding display is too delicate to support high pressure tabs of a stylus. In terms of performance, the Fold 2 won't disappoint you, as it will be powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 or 865 Plus processor with 12GB of RAM and 512GB of storage capacity. Talking about the cameras on this device, it will feature a 10MP camera on the front and a 8MP shooter inside. There are some leaks that it might be a little displaced from the corner of the display, but I don't know how would that turn out. Let me know in the comments what do you guys think about it. For the cameras at the back, the original Galaxy Fold took its camera's cues from the last year's Galaxy S10 Plus, so it stands to reason that the Galaxy Fold would do the same, drawing from the Galaxy S20's Plus camera array and design. We expect it to have a 12MP wide angle, 64MP telephoto, 12MP ultra wide, and a time of flight sensor. In terms of battery, the Galaxy Fold 2 could top the Fold's 4380 mAh battery with a 4.5 or 5000 mAh battery, according to a source cited by XDA developers. You can expect Samsung to stick with reverse wireless charging, which Samsung calls power share, and fast charging to align with Galaxy S20 phones, likely at a rate of 25 watts. Now let's talk about the price and the release date of the phone. As for the pricing, it will be around $1,700 to $1,900. There has been a lot of talk of Z Fold E, the Fold Special Edition, priced around $1,100, which might be present as an entry-level offering rather than the premium we are expecting from the Z Fold 2. Although it's been suggested that Samsung is holding this until 2021. So this was the full preview of Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2. Is it worth spending $1,800 on a foldable phone or buying a cheaper flagship phone that is having all the features that you need? What do you prefer? Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like it if you liked the video and subscribe to Stuffbox and hit the bell icon if you haven't. More cool stuff is coming on the channel, just stay tuned. S-Link.